Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Fusion versus Ford Taurus. We'll explore their key differences, helping you decide which sedan best fits your needs. The Fusion, a popular midsize option, offers great fuel economy and a sleek design. In contrast, the Taurus provides more interior space and robust performance as a full-size sedan. Let's dive into the specifics of each model. When it comes to size, the Fusion is a mid-size sedan, usually around 192 inches long, making it easier to maneuver in urban environments. The Taurus, a full-size sedan, often stretches beyond 200 inches, offering a more substantial feel. Performance-wise, the Fusion provides efficient four-cylinder engines, while the Taurus often features more powerful V6 options, delivering greater horsepower and torque for a more robust driving experience. Inside, the Fusion comfortably seats 5, featuring a well-designed cabin with user-friendly infotainment systems. The Taurus, being larger, offers more expansive legroom for both front and rear passengers, along with a significantly larger trunk capacity, making it excellent for long trips or hauling cargo. Both models come equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including available blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control, enhancing driver confidence. Regarding fuel economy, the Fusion typically outperforms the Taurus, particularly with its available hybrid powertrains, offering impressive miles per gallon. The Taurus, while less fuel efficient due to its size and power, often provides a more luxurious driving experience and can hold its value well within the full-size sedan market. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities: efficiency and agility versus space and power. Check the description for a link to these amazing meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.